Hello guys, welcome to my channel Recharge 5 My Best. Today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best enamel mug in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Teamfar 16 Oz Coffee Mug. Multicolors enamel tea mug set of 6. Camp drinking cups with patterns for milk tea beer. Non-toxic and portable. Lightweight and durable. Wide handle and smooth rim, easy clean. Teamfar's coffee mug set is made of high-quality steel with enamel coating, making it healthy and durable for daily use. The set includes 6 different colors with 16 ounces capacity and is lightweight and easy to carry. The large U-shaped handle provides a comfortable grip, and the smooth surface and round roll edge avoids scratching your lip and hands. This coffee mug set is perfect for both indoor and outdoor activities and makes an ideal gift for various occasions. Additionally, it is easy to clean. Healthy and durable. Teamfar coffee mug set is made of high-quality steel with enamel coating, without any toxic substances into your drinks, unbreakable than glass and plastic materials, healthy and durable for daily use. Number 4. EFAR Enamel Camping Mug Set of 6, 16-ounce metal enamel coffee teacups for outdoor camping, hiking, backpacking kids. Two-sided unique graphic design and large size. Colorful. Premium material. EFAR coffee mug is constructed of high-quality metal and coated in thick enamel, lead, and cadmium-free, non-breakable and rust resistance for a long-lasting present. Healthy and durable for daily use. Exquisite craft. Complete curled lip for a better touch when drinking, smooth finish inside and outside which does not coffee stain for easy cleanup. Solid U handle with ergonomic design for secure and comfortable grip. Handmade and durable SIDD print. Each mug has the unique graphics printed on both sides that are vibrant, fade-resistant, and permanent. Mix-match of colors of this set with vintage style which will brighten your every new day. Large capacity, 16 ounces, /455 ml capacity, 5x4 x 3.5. Number 3. Roadmap Camping Gifts Camping Mug Set of 2 Travel Holiday Enamel Coffee Cup 17 Oz Big Capacity 304 SS Golden Rim for drinking outdoor couples anniversary, wedding, Christmas, Valentine's Day, his and hers. 2 colors option. This cup set is available in 2 colors, green and white. Mug set, 1* forest green mug, 1* cream white mug. This camping mug set is sure to bring back good memories of camping as a kid. It also can be a good gift for Valentine, Christmas, and other holidays. Large capacity, 17 ounces big capacity beer mug is fantastic enamel drinkware. This cup sets for kitchen can be used indoor and outdoor. If you want to drink coffee, beer, or milk, carry this camping coffee mug sets. Health and good looking. Enamel mug is a unique dinnerware piece that has an inorganic and vitreous porcelain enamel coating that perfectly covers the carbon steel which it is made, protecting it from oxidation and corrosion. Number 2. Cutisat 12-ounce handmade enamel mug, plain white mugs, enamel camping mug set, DIY cups for tea, coffee, and hot chocolate, set of 6. Elegant enamel campfire style mug. Impressing your guest and family with this enamel campfire mugs. This simple and inspiring style will delight at your every gathering event in your home, backyard, or in travel. Quality thick 8 Enamel. Lightweight tin mug with smooth enamel coating. The ergonomically designed that you will feel lightweight in hand and comfortable to hold. Ideal design for everyday use. 3.46 DX 3.0H. This travel mug has a pure white look with silver edging, and you can create any artwork on it that is yours. Hand wash only. Perfect for your coffee, tea, or any beverages. Perfect ADDTION and gift. This 6-pack mug is a perfect addition to your home and matching all your decor as its elegant, cheerful design. Number 1. Sinsa 6, piece 21 ounces enamel coffee mug, white color, resistant coffee cups for indoor and outdoor, picnic, fishing, camping, farmhouse kitchen, party, durable and reusable. The Sinsa 21 ounces enamel coffee mug set includes 6 white coffee cups that are scratch and corrosion resistant. These lightweight mugs have a wide handle and a rustic look, making them suitable for farmhouse or vintage decor homes. They are perfect for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and picnics, and can hold hot or cold drinks like beer, wine, soup, coffee, and tea. These eco-friendly mugs are dishwasher safe and reusable, making them an excellent alternative to disposable products. Since a 21 ounces enamel coffee mug set, 6 pieces, white color, resistant coffee cups for indoor and outdoor, picnic, fishing, camping, farmhouse kitchen, party, durable, and reusable.